Hello, what's up guys, it's Mike Rumaka here, and in today's video I'm going to be having a conversation with an awesome young man. He's my roommate in school and he's also a YouTuber like me. He's going to be sharing with us the secrets, so making money from YouTube.
Secrets.
So what's up bro? Introduce yourself to my audience.
Okay,
yeah.
What's up guys, my name is Michael Ezemadu, also known as Medo Unboxing.
Yeah. So what do you do on your own YouTube channel?
Basically I make tech reviews on budget smartphones and gadgets.
Okay, so this is one of those guys that inspired me to start my own YouTube channel, and we thank God for the journey. So, Medo, why did you start your own channel? Like, what's up with you?
Okay, why I started my own channel was because I actually wanted to buy a phone.
Okay.
I was working that time. I wanted to buy a phone. I got the money.
Yeah.
I checked for reviews on YouTube. They were saying the phone is good, the phone is good. I got the phone and it was total nonsense. And I said that from this day henceforth, I don't want people to come on YouTube and start watching videos of smartphones and be deceived. Yeah, so they will get the right information on my channel.
Okay, so once someone watches your video on your own YouTube channel, they are sure to get the right information about the
honest opinion.
Honest opinion. So what came about the name Medo Unboxing? Like, how come? Why did you choose Medo Unboxing? Me, I went for Micah, you went for Medo.
It's people that are blue that they are asking that kind of question.
No, but like, why did you choose Medo? Like, what's up?
Actually, it was when I was in secondary school, JSS1. It was my classmate. His name is Rashid. Maybe if you watch this video. Okay, he was the one that gave me the name. Just one day he came to school and said Medo.
Okay.
The Medo is my name, my surname, and O for Odogu. I don't know what Odogu means that time, so he just put it. From then, people rarely call me Michael, so Medo or my son.
Unboxing, and that's how we know, like, we know him in the hostel as Medo Unboxing.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's talk about the journey. Like, how has the journey been? Because I remember someone telling me that back in 100 level that you used to use Milo, and now you drank Milo and you ate Milo and apple.
Please, we are not here to talk about that. Let's keep that.
So how are you able to like buy tech gadgets that you review on your channel? Because even my guy has asked me that he loves watching your video, and that you usually wonders how you're able to like afford buying tech gadget and all that stuff. So how come? Like,
okay.
Also being a student, like, you know.
Okay. How I afford buying my gadgets? I do freelance.
Okay.
Yes. So I network with people, and from there I get some jobs.
Okay.
Basically graphics and websites.
Yeah.
Mostly websites, and sometimes I do help my guys like Careview Media, Tech Mayor, and some other guys like that to cover events, videography or photography, or live streaming, basically.
So these are some of the services you do by the side.
Yes, and I also have I recently had a 9-to-5 job. Remote 9-to-5 job.
That was amazing, and he's still in school with me. Both of us are still in school, and we are roommates, by the way. So let's talk about some of the sacrifices you have made, or you have made in the past, and you're still making now. So will you share with us some of the sacrifices you have made just because of your own YouTube channel? Like, what are those sacrifices?
Yeah, I've actually stabbed myself. Like earlier in the video, he said something about Fufu and Milo. I actually did that just to take a course by Salem King. Yes,
Salem
on
King.
Instagram.
Wow.
Yeah.
You had to eat that one.
I had to take. Yes. I said I'll use my last cash to get this course. It was a content creation course.
And you took that course. Wow, that's amazing. So what are the sacrifices you're making now just to make YouTube videos?
Okay.
You can also come from the angle of school, because you're also in school and all that stuff.
Okay, school. Actually, I sacrifice from 12, any lectures from 12 o'clock. I don't really go to them like that because of my remote 9-to-5 job. So those are one of the sacrifices, except his exams. I don't care. That's 9-to-5 or rest. We'll go and write the exam.
So school is important somehow,
to secure the paper for the parents.
For the parents, so it's because of your parents you're going to school somehow. So okay, let's talk about school and being a YouTuber. Do you think is worth it? Like, do you think it's going to pay off on the long run?
It's actually going to pay off.
It's already paying off, but it's going to see money now.
So hopefully we are going to graduate this year. If ASU doesn't strike us with thunder.
Amen. ASU, please.
So I'll be going full time on YouTube.
So that's the plan.
That is the plan.
So let's talk about starting a YouTube channel, because some of the guys that are watching this video might be interested in setting up their own YouTube channel.
Okay.
So let's talk about what are the things that you need to have before you start your own YouTube channel. What are the things you need to have at the back of your head?
When you're starting out first, so gear doesn't matter. But as you go, as you're on the game, gear really matters actually. And since I'm in the tech world, you need to be buying devices. And at this early stages, at this early stages, I've been doing this for 3 years now, though.
7K sub. Yeah.
I've been doing this for 3 years now. What else?
Do they need to buy a particular camera?
No, you don't need to start with a camera. Actually,
lapel mic. What are those?
When you start, okay, you can sacrifice. If you are in school, be like me, sacrifice those textbook money, buy lapel mic and tripod. At least you can start from there. Then your next semester, you can still sacrifice again and buy softbox.
Okay, so you basically need a lapel mic. I think you also need a tripod.
Yes, that's why I said first semester you sacrifice some textbook money for mic and tripod. Second semester you sacrifice for this thing light.
Okay, so if you're a student, don't buy textbook for 1 semester.
No, I don't say you should not buy one textbook for 1 semester. Don't buy all.
Oh, your textbook. Okay.
That is if you are like if it's your parent that is buying for you.
Yeah.
That is it. But if you are the one buying.
But if you're an adult or more, put your money and buy the things you need to and start.
That is it.
Because I believe that if you're willing to sacrifice your money, it will make you. It's going to make you to be more like committed in the craft.
Yes.
So I think that's very, very important. So let's talk about being a tech YouTuber. You know, how do you see that niche in Nigeria?
It's actually growing. It's actually growing. Okay. I've met a few people.
Yeah.
They are much. Now we are growing. When I first started, we were not that much.
Okay.
But now I can say we are more than 30.
Wow, 30. Wow.
I'm more than 30.
Wow.
And there is also a group.
Yeah.
It's not in Nigeria, like it's worldwide. We are just small creators.
Yeah.
We talk about tech and our videos and thumbnails and stuff like that. And it's called TYU, Tech YouTubers Unite.
Okay. Let's not talk about money. So you recently got monetized, yeah, right?
Yes.
I think let me not say recently.
My second time of that is my second AdSense account actually.
Wow, yeah.
First one got I don't know, it was not approved because I used NIN, Nigerian.
So don't use NIN for your AdSense. Don't try it in your life.
If not, the money that you have made from there will enter Sakwa mode.
So your money disappeared like that.
Disappeared. I could not. I was just seeing it. I can't touch it.
That kind of thing. So let's talk about making money and investing money and all that stuff. So like, what are the money moves you're making now you're in school that you think will help you secure your future probably over the next 5? Let me say, okay, 5 is too long. Let me say over the next 2 years, probably when you're done with school. What are those moves you're making now?
Okay, working with brands is actually one of them.
Okay.
2 is partnerships.
Okay.
I also have my merch line, which you can see I'm wearing.
We do unboxing.
It's not expensive.
It's not expensive, I know.
It's not expensive.
Yeah.
So you can use the link in this description or message me on Instagram. I'll tell you how to go about it. Also, selling your own products, depending on your niche, selling your own products. If you are like in the tech niche, you can sell your own case. That is, if you have the capacity to build your own
products.
Or you can sell wallpapers, customized wallpapers, or have your own NFT.
Yeah, NFT.
For your audience.
About that in the future, Okay, that's cool. I want to talk about. Do you think you can become a millionaire, not in naira, in dollars? Like dollars are different now. So do you think YouTube can make you a millionaire in dollars?
Yeah, step by step.
Step by step.
Get there.
Yes, I believe. So what are the challenges you have faced, or you're facing currently in terms of making YouTube videos?
Currently, one of them is my environment. Students area.
You're shooting this video in the school, like
even in the hostel, there's always noise. People playing loud music with tech products like speaker. So you can't blame them because it's those kind of products other people people review too. Also lights and data, but for me though, now I won't really say that is my problem, because the company I'm working for provide data for me, so I use the opportunity to know.
Okay, in regards to the company you're working for, probably students might be watching this video. Do you think there's a way, as a student, for you to be able to get jobs outside the country? That's why you can be able to like add up to your school, combine it to your school and all that stuff.
Actually, how I got this job was through through networking on a WhatsApp group. Then the guy messaged me. We are now friends for about like 6 months. Later, he now told me that the company is working for is looking for so person. I said, oh, no worry, I'm open to the job. I will learn on the job, anything, anyhow. We are going to do it. So I accepted the job. Since then, that is about since 2021 August. I've been doing that.
Yeah, that's amazing. So is there any final words you want to give anyone that probably wants to start a YouTube channel, or probably do a particular thing but they are just procrastinating and all that stuff?
Don't go to it for the money first. If not, you quit.
So don't start because of the money. Just start and because of the passion, probably. That's what you're trying to say. So guys, I'm going to leave a link to Medo's YouTube channel. You guys subscribe to his channel and leave a comment telling me one thing you picked out from this video. I want to see you at Medo's channel. Go and subscribe, guys.
Also subscribe to your favorite YouTuber.
Mike Rumaka. Made the Rumaka. So thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
No problem, boss.
See you on the next video, guys.
Peace.